When I go with confidence, when I go to roll our hips and take a sip on it, take a trip on it. When I go, you can go slow.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl Krystle. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be sponsored by ILIKEHAIR. They sent me out this gorgeous kinky straight unit. It has the kinky edges, y'all, and that is a wig that is currently trending. These kinky edges are giving all of the Afro-inspired silk press vibes, y'all. So this unit, let me give you guys a few specs. It is 22 inches long. It is a kinky straight texture. It's 180% density. It's going to give you those kinky edges and a bomb lace. This is the HD lace that ILIKEHAIR is using. And when I tell y'all, this lace melts into your hairline and definitely gives it that seamless look. Y'all continue to watch. So it also is a 13 by 4. You're going to get the 13 inches across and the 4 inches back in the parting space. It has combs all over the place. There's 2 combs in the front. I believe there's one in the middle, one in the back. There's also some lace back there in the back. It has adjustable straps as well. This is a medium cap size wig, and we'll get into the pros and cons in regards to the cap size later on in the video. But that is the specs, you guys. In regards to the pricing of this exact unit, this is priced at $345. However, ILIKEHAIR does a great job of putting out coupon codes and promo codes to save you guys some coins on your purchase. If they give me a discount code specific to this unit, I will drop the details to that down in the description box, so be sure to check that out, okay? So let's get into this sleigh. So you guys, I have unboxed this as you have seen. I have thrown this on my mannequin head and I have plucked the hairline a little bit. And I'm just adding some cute little curls to this unit. I decided to add some wand curls because I wanted to see how well this unit took to heat, how well it took to curling, if the curls held up, and all of that. So I'm just adding some curls to this unit here. I'm using my Conair wand curling iron, and I will put the link to that in the description box as well.
We keep it going like bum bum bum. Throw it back then rotation. Cigarettes and just season. Shine bright as that season. Girl, you know you are a jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Jam 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 jam. Sounding like you're wasting every time. We know like we know shine bright like royalty. We know still keep a dignity and wine. So kind of neck is
Alright, so now that I have curled the unit, I am going in with some medium hold hairspray. I'm kind of customizing that hairline, removing some of the additional kinky edges. Now this is customizable, no size fits all. You're going to customize this to your hairline or how much or how little of the kinky edges you want in your styled wig.
you been waiting on me to solve it.
Okay, you guys, so what I'm going to do is tint the lace. I'm going to cut the lace, and then I'm going to get this unit on my head. And y'all, she is absolutely gorgeous. She is soft. She is definitely giving that 180% density, but feels very lightweight. So let's go ahead and get into the pros and cons as you guys watch me install this unit. To be honest, I don't really have that many cons about this. I did run into very minimal shedding, and these curls, I don't know if I need to use a stronger hairspray for them to stay up a little bit longer. but they did kind of fall as I went throughout the day. I did go outside and go out to eat and all of that, so the curls did fall a little bit. But other than that, y'all, this wig is giving everything that it is supposed to give. It is just stunning and it's very versatile. You can style this in a half up, half down. You can curl it. You can wear it straight to give that silk press vibe. But I Like Hair definitely constructed this wig to the T. Shout out to them for those bomb goodies they sent me. That tension band was everything. So y'all, in regards to the pros, this is a medium cap size unit. However, it was fitting very comfortably on my big old head. So I would say that this is big head friendly. It was pretty simple to install. However, this is a 13x4 unit, so it's not as beginner friendly. So be mindful of that when you're picking up this unit. They do have a 5x5 option, y'all. The hair quality is everything. The lace is, y'all, look at that lace. Look at that lace. So those are the pros, you guys. If you enjoyed today's video, be sure to hit that like button. If you're not already a part of my family, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and leave me some love down in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, y'all.